If MSN is giving you an error opening the page, a blank screen, or a page that just keeps loading and never fully appears, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a minute or two. This is especially helpful if MSN works on one device but not another, or if the page looks broken, incomplete, or won't load at all. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to check is your ad blocker. MSN uses a lot of advertisement frames and tracking scripts, and sometimes ad blocking extensions can stop the entire page from loading properly. That can cause a blank screen, a loading crash, or an error opening the page. To test this, look at the top of your browser and click your ad blocking extension icon. Then choose pause or turn off for this site. Once you've done that, refresh the MSN page and see if it opens normally. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue right away. If the page still won't load, the next thing to do is clear your browser data. A stale cookie or old cached file can stop MSN from running its page layout correctly, which can cause the site to freeze or hang. To clear that out, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In the Time Range menu, select All Time. Then make sure the boxes for cookies and cached images and files are checked. After that, click Clear Data or Clear Now, depending on your browser. Once the process is finished, reload MSN and check whether the page opens properly. If MSN does open but looks strange, like garbled text, broken images, or sections placed in the wrong spots, then the issue may be related to zoom or layout settings in your browser. This is another easy fix. While you're on the Stuck MSN tab, simply press Ctrl and 0 with 0. That instantly resets the zoom back to 100%. A bad zoom level can make the page look broken even when it's actually loading correctly. After resetting the zoom, refresh the page and give it another look. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the problem. If the ad blocker was the issue, MSN should now load normally. If the problem was caused by cookies or cache, clearing the browser data should have reset everything. And if the page looked distorted, the zoom reset should bring it back to normal. If you're still having trouble, you can also try opening MSN in a private or incognito window just to see whether a browser extension is causing the issue. You can also test a different browser to confirm whether the problem is with MSN itself or just your current setup. But in most cases, pausing the ad blocker, clearing cookies and cache, and resetting the zoom are the main fixes you need. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.